Hi friends, welcome to Vidya's cooking channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a traditional dish which is prepared here in South India. It's called as Mullangi Puli Korambu or Radish Tamarind Gravy. Let's look into the process. Here you can see I've peeled and chopped the radish into coins. I'm going to first of all fry this radish in ghee. So I've added 1 tablespoon of ghee in a wok and I'm going to transfer the chopped radish to the wok. I'll fry the radish for 2 minutes. So I kept stirring this and I fried this for 2 minutes. Once the radish has fried, I'll drain all the ghee in the pan itself and reserve the radish in a bowl. In the same pan, I'll prepare the curry as well. So I'm going to prepare the curry masala or the curry paste for this recipe. So once I've reserved the radish, I'll start preparing the curry masala. So for the curry masala, there is tiny amount of ghee. I've added some more ghee and oil to prepare the masala paste. I've added peppercorns, asafoetida, cumin seeds, fenugreek seeds, and I've allowed it to splutter. Meanwhile, in a pressure cooker, I've added tomato and a small amount of tamarind with 1/4 cup of water, and I pressure cook the tomato and the tamarind because that is what we'll be adding in the curry. Here you can see once the spices have spluttered, I'll be adding chopped shallots, half an onion which is finely chopped, 1 green chili and curry leaves along with ginger and garlic. I'll fry all of this till the onion turns transparent. All the ingredients used in this recipe along with the detailed recipe will be listed in the description box below this video, friends. So do check out the description box, and I'll post the similar recipe which I prepared earlier with my mom. I'll post the similar recipes in the description box below this video. Now here you can see once the curry masala has fried well, I allowed it to cool down. Then I've ground it with some tiny amount of water. In the same wok, I've added some oil and ghee. Once the oil and ghee has heated well, I've added mustard seeds, cumin seeds, split black gram dal, and I'm going to fry it well. I've added half an onion which I reserved earlier, that is finely chopped. I've added that along with the chopped shallots and garlic. I'll fry all of this. I forgot to add fenugreek seeds, so I'm adding it now. We need to fry all of this. Few fenugreek seeds is more than enough because if you add excess, it will tend to be bitter. So add few fenugreek seeds only. Now I'll add the ground masala paste. The masala paste and we have to fry this. The masala paste is already fried, you need not fry it too much. Then I've added the radish which is cooked well along with chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Now I'll add 1/4 cup of water. Allow the radish to cook in this masala, and once the tomato and the tamarind has cooled down, I just mashed it using my hands itself and I extracted the tamarind juice. Here you can see I've added some asafoetida water. Asafoetida was in a cube consistency, so I've diluted it with water. I've added 1/4 teaspoon of asafoetida. Then once I've added the water, I allowed the radish to boil. Here you can see I've smashed the tomato and tamarind. I'll extract 1 bowl of the tamarind extract. The rest will be used for rasam. So once I've extracted the tamarind and tomato pulp, I'll add it to the cooked radish. So here you can see once the radish has cooked well, I'll transfer the tomato pulp along with coarse salt. We need to boil this for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add curry leaves and reduce it for another minute and remove it from the flame. It's that easy. Very simple to prepare and very tasty. You can store it for up to 2 to 3 days without any refrigeration. It will preserve well. It is very nice and tasty. Try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. I'll post all the other curry recipes in the description box below this video along with this detailed recipe. Hope you all enjoyed this video, friends. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thanks for watching.